In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Trae AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Trae.ai, and then on here on this website, you want to go ahead and hit the download Trae button or click on download up here. Now, once you do this, this will download to your computer. It's going to be the Trae setup, and you want to just open it up. And it's going to look like this. First, you will have to read their terms of service and privacy policy. And if you accept it, click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Here, you want to basically select if you want to create a desktop icon and if you want to add these other settings. So if you want to add Open to Trae action to Windows Explorer file context menu or the directory context menu. So you can tick these two if you want to. And if you want to register Trae as an editor for supported file types, you can enable this as well. After you're ready, after you've done however you wanted, click on Next. And here you can see the summary of everything you did, and then you can click the install button. Trae will install to your computer, and then you'll just be able to basically run it. As you can see, I have it over here. You can click on the app, and then you have to sign in, answer a few simple questions, import the configuration from any other program if you want to, or if not, you can just skip it, and then as you can see over here, you can just start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.